Welcome to Minute to Learn It with Edric Maguan. The question for today is from IC Saw. IC asks, I want to understand the selling process after the unit has been turned over and with a bank loan. What are the payment options of the buyer? First and simplest option is through cash payment. The buyer would pay for the remaining bank loan and pay the seller cash once the loan has been released. However, if the buyer needs partial bank financing but can pay the seller cash more than the remaining loan balance, then it can be used to pay off the loan. Then the buyer's bank will provide the seller a letter of guarantee promising to pay the balance once the sale is completed. However, if the buyer has a cash outlay smaller than the remaining loan balance, you can still sell the property. But there are intricacies that should be agreed upon by both parties, such as rent-to-own or PASALO terms, or getting your bank to extend a bigger loan to the buyer. Regardless of payment option, I would recommend getting the services of a licensed real estate professional, as each has its own nuances. So there you have it. If you have questions that you'd like me to cover in my future videos, comment down below. And if you want to learn where and how to invest safely and smartly, schedule a free consultation with me via the link in the description. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.